Okay,
Vibhu,
sir.
vibhudastuvanti.
Vibudhastuvanti.
Excellent.
Vibudhastuvanti.
Bhashapati patati. Vasara shuddhi marat.
Bhasha padif patati
Not padi.
vasa.
How you can say padi? It's not a Divya Desam di. It is not a Dinasari di. It is not a Dinam Dinam di. It is T per Tirchirapalli, T per Tingatkiழமை, T per Tiruvarul, T per Tiruvanmiyur. So, Traivik,
Two.
sorry, Bhasha Pati Pachati,
Bhasha patif patati. Bhasha patif patati.
Vasara Shuddhi Marat.
Vasarasuddhi marat.
Two, two
Vas.
per Subhadinam,
Okay.
Sukalapaksham.
Okay.
Good one.
Vasarasu. Vasara.
Middle of the tongue, upper palate. We should not take from the tip of the tongue to pronounce as su. It is not su. It is uh, su. Suddhimarat.
Vasarasuddhi marad.
In Sahasranama we have one nama, na?
Ash.
Vishuddhatma.
Vishnu.
Vishuddhatma. That
Atma.
su.
Shu.
Suddhimarat.
Vasarashuddhi marat.
Yeah,
Vasarashuddhi marat.
you got it. You got it. So you others also would have got corrected. That is so. We want people who are chanting with a slight deviation so that we have the opportunity to correct the deviations.
Okay, thank you.
Teshadrishekhara vibho.
Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho. Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho.
You got it, yeah. Tava suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam. Tava Suprabhatam.
Best wishes, man. Best wishes. Quickly, we
Thank
will
you,
see
sir.
the meaning of this
Guruji,
shloka. Yeah.
Guruji,
Tell
can I
me, ma.
chant now? Now I'm unable. Now, can I chant now? Now I'm able to unmute myself.
You are from where?
I'm Annapurna from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay. Okay, because you are from far away, we want to give the chance. I was trying. So quickly we will do, ma. Panchananam षण्मुख Vasavadhyaka. Please. You have again muted. Open your mic. The voice is not audible, ma. I don't know what is the technology going on. I'm not able to listen to you, ma. No, your mic is not on. Your mic, Shamalama, can you give the mic? Your mic is, I'm not able to listen.
Already mic given, sir.
I don't know. Anyway, ma, we will see. We will try once again later on. Please. We will. I am not able to listen, ma. Yeah. We will see later. Yeah, please. So we will quickly see the meaning. Atri Adi. Atri Adi. So Atri and others. Sapta Rishayaka, the seven great rishis. Sapta means seven, you know, Sapta. Giri means Yelu Malay, seven hills. So here it is talking about Sapta Rishi. So that Sapta Rishi starting with Atri. So Atri, Angiras, Pulaka, Pulastya, Kratu, Marichi, Vasishtha, who is Vyasa Bhagavan's, Vyasa Maharishi's great grandfather, is it not? Vasishtha, Vyasam Vasishtha Naptaram, Shakti Pautramakal Masham. Parasharatmajam Vande Sukatatam Taponidhim. In that Vyasa's complete lineage, who is the son, who is the father, who is the grandfather, who is the great grandfather, all are given there. No? So there, Vasishtha, who is the great grandfather of our Vyasa Maharishi, he is also there among that 7 Sapta Rishis. Samupasya, they are worshipping, having worshipped Sandhyam, Sandhya called, in the Sandhya called, the time of dawn, the time of twilight. Akasha, Akasha means sky. Sindhu, Sindhu means here, not the river Sindhu. River Sindhu is having Alpa Prana, Sindhu. Here it is Sindhu, means it is symbolic of vastness, meaning ocean. Kamalani, Kamalaani means lotuses. And lotuses and Manoharani, beautiful Manoharam, beautiful and enchanting. Then Adaya, taking or carrying, Pada Yugam, your pair of feet, your pair of tiruvadi. Archayitum, Archayitum means, Archayan means it is Archanai, to worship. Prapanna, those who have surrendered. So we are going to have one portion in Vishnu Venkateswara Prabhatam called Prapatti. Prapatti, from that it comes the Prapannaka, those who have surrendered. Sheshadri, the hill having the name of Adisheshan, Shesha Adri, Sheshadri. Adri means hill, Shesha means Adisheshan. The hill named after Adishesha, that is Sheshadri. Ekhara, Ekhara means the top, Shikaram. Lord Shiva is having Chandra in his Shekaram. So that's why he is called Chandra Shekaram. So the same way here, Shekaram means who is having adorned. Vibho, O Lord, Tava, your Prabhatam, the morning salutation or greeting. So this shloka describes how Atri and other great sages during the auspicious twilight, they have gathered there with the enchanting lotuses taken from the skyline, vast like it is, the lakes are so vast like the sky, and it is the Akasha Ganga which is in Tirumala, to offer their worship at the divine feet of Lord Seshadri, Shekhara, Lord Venkateshwara. So this is the salutation to awaken the Lord. O Lord, standing at the top of the Seshadri hill, the group of the 7 rishis, headed by Atri and followed by Angiras, Pulaka, Pulastya, Kratu, Marichi, and Vasishtha, they have completed their Sandhya Vandanam, Sandhya worship, and has already arrived in the Suprabhata Seva to take part in your Suprabhata Seva and the Abhigamana, that is the morning Aradhanam. They have brought the freshly blossomed lotus flowers from the Akasha Ganga. So this is your auspicious dawn to you. Please awake. So this is the having worshipped the morning twilight and said their morning prayers called Sandhya Vandanam, the 7 sages like Atri, bringing the beautiful lotuses from the divine Ganges, the Akasha Ganga, and they have arrived to worship your feet, O Venkatesha, Lord of Sheshachala. May it be, may it be the auspicious dawn, early morning to you, O resident of Sheshadri, the 7 holy rishis, headed by Atri, having performed their morning sandhya, are at your feet, offering beautiful lotuses and also the waters of the heavenly rivers, Akasha Ganga. Please receive them and wake up and bless all of us. That is the meaning of this shloka. And the next one is Panchanana. Panchana. Nabja Bhava Shanmukha. Vasavadhyaka. Traivikramaji Charitam. Vibhudas Tuvanti. Vasha Pachati Vasara. Shuddhi Bharati. Teshadri Shekhara Vibho. Tava Suprabhatam. Panchanana. Anana. Anana means you may have the name Gajanana. Gajanana means the elephant face. Gaja Anana. Varanana. Where it is coming, Varanana? Teno Paye, that is Sri Rama Rama Ramiti, Rami Rami, Manorami, Sagasranama Tatulyam, Rama Nama, Varanani. Varanani means that Parvati Devi, Vara Anana, is having the beautiful face. Anana means face. So here it is Panchanana means, Pancha means 5, 5 faces. Who is having 5 faces? That is Lord Shiva. Anekamukti Abhyakta Shatamukti Shatananaka. In Vishnu Sahasranam also we have one nama called Shatananaka. Bhagavan who is having the hundreds and hundreds of faces. Shatananaka. Tata Ananaka. So the same way, here it is Panchanana, Pancha Anana, 5 faces referring to Lord Shiva. Abja Baba. Panchanana Abja Baba. So Abja Baba means who is born from the lotus. Ja means taking birth. Aja means without birth. It's not Ajo Magagas Swabhavyo Ajo. Vasavanujaka. Vasava Anujaka. Who is born after Indra as Vamana Avataram. So that means taking birth. So here he is taking the birth from the lotus. So it is called Abja Baba. Who is taking birth in the lotus? That is Lord Brahma. So Abja Baba means Lord Brahma who appeared on the lotus flower. Then comes Shan Mukha. Shan means it is 6, you know. So Mukha means again face. The 6 face referring to Lord Subramanya, also known as Kartikeya, also known as Lord Muruga. So Vasa, residence. Vadyaka, Vadyaka. Vadya means Vadyangal. All the celestial musicians who plays Vadyams. And the Vibhudas, the celestial beings, all devas, gods. Charitam. Charitam means stories. Or the holy Charitam. Tuvanti. Tuvannama Sagasrena Purshas Satatotitastuva. Tuva means praising, singing the glory. Tuvantakam Kamarchanta Tutistotarana Priya. All two it is coming now. So praise or singing glory. Tuvanti. Trivikramadi. Praising your Vikrama, Avataram, etc. Adi means etc. So referring to the holy stories, bhakti stories, holy deeds of Bhagavan Krishna, Bhagavan Vishnu, particularly his 3 great strides, Vamana, அவதாரம். 3 அடி மண் கேட்டான் வாமனன் உலகிலே, மூன்றென வைத்ததோ மன்னவன் தலையிலே. So that Vamana avataram, who has asked 3 feet, and with 1 feet he measured the upper worlds up to the Vaikuntham, and with another feet he measured the lower Patala Lokas, including the Garbhodaka Sai, and he asked back to keep the 3rd feet. Then Mahabali gave his head, you keep on my head. So that is Vamana avataram. Bhasha patati, Bhasha patihi. Pati means here it is patihi. Bhasha patihi. Bhasha patihi means the pati means Lord, not pati, Lord. So he is the Lord of languages, referring to Brahaspati. So Brahaspati, the teacher of the gods, the teacher of the languages, have also arrived there. And not only arrived, he is patati. He is reading, reciting. What he is reciting? Vasara, the morning. Suddhi Marat, purification. Marat, from the day or dawn. And Sheshadri, Sheshadri hill associated with the Lord Venkateshwara. Shekhara Vibhu, the Lord of Sheshadri hill, Vibhu, all pervading, greatest, opulent, and powerful. Vishwabhut Vibhu, we having Vishnu Sahasranamam. Tava, you are Suprabhatam, morning salutation or greetings. So connecting all these things, oh Lord, standing at the top of the Sheshadri hill, oh Sri Venkatesha, the mighty Lord, who dwells in the serpentine hill of Sheshadri, the leaders of the Devas, such as Maheshwaran, Lord Shiva, Lord who has taken birth in the lotus from your Nabhi, Padmanabha, so that is Brahma, and the 5-faced Maheshwaran Shiva, and the 6-faced Shanmukham Kartikeya, and also Indran, all accompanied by the celestial musicians, are praising your heroic deed of measuring the worlds with just 3 steps in the Trivikrama Avatara, Vamana Avatara, and also the Lord of the languages, the Brahaspati. The Brahaspati is the Deva Guru, the saint guru of all the Devas. Brahaspati, he means the Lord of the sacred speech. So he is also standing at a distance in front of you, reading out the Panchangam for that day. Yesterday, our Tamil New Year, and some few days ago, Yugadi, we would have read the Panchangam as a protocol. So our Hindu calendar and Almanac, Panchangam. Panchangam means Pancha Angam, 5 attributes of our calendar day. That is Tithi, Varam, Nakshatram, Yogam, and Karanam. For example, for today, as per Indian calendar, Indian Standard Time, today the 5 attributes are the of the Panchangam are, that is Prabhava Nama Samvatsare, Uttarayane, Vasantaritam, Veshamase, Shukla Pakshe, Amavasyayam, and today is the Sukravaram, Friday. Of course, in USA it is Guruvaram, the Ashwini Nakshatram, and the Vaidriti Nama Yogam, Chatushbhata Nama Karanam. So like this, he reads out the Panchangam for the day and purifies the day. O Lord of Sheshadri Hill, O the one who manifested the peak of the Sheshadri Hill, Shikara means Shikara is the peak, Shikaram. From that the word comes Shekaram. So peak of the Sheshadri hill. In this your beautiful dawn, Tava Suprabhatam. So morning salutation, Suprabhatam, greeting to you. May it be an auspicious dawn to you, Lord of Seshachala. May it be an auspicious dawn to you, says the shloka. So this is the morning prayer, Suprabhatam. With this we complete today's class. We will continue tomorrow because it is technology, Microsoft Teams. Many times we also end with not the connection, etc. Anyway, these are all Bhagavan Venkatesha's Leela. We have to take it in that way. Anyway, the YouTube will be there, and the slide we have already posted, we are posting, and the audio messages also you will get. Whatever support we will be able to give to develop proficiency in chanting this Venkatesha Suprabhatam, we will give it. So wishing you all the best. Once more, Om Namo Narayanaya. Thank you, ma'am. So somebody can do the ending prayer. Shamala, you are there, ma? Rajeshwari ji, Aditya, please,
Mahageshwari ma'am.
please.
Mahageshwari ma'am. Please do the ending prayer. Mahageshwari ma'am, can you hear me? Radhika ma'am.
Namo Venkatesaya.
Please,
Shri
ma'am. Please
Ram
carry on.
Ram Ram. Shri Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shri Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shri Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shri Rama Nama Varanana Om Nama Iti. Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare
Mr.
Rama
Vishwas.
Yeah.
Please carry
Sarvam
on,
Shri
carry on.
Krishna Arpanamastu.
Once more you carry on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Vishwas to all of you.
Thank you.
Om Namo Narayanaya. Thank
Om
you all.
Namo
Thank
Narayana.
you.
Thank
We
you.
will and query form has come, Shamala ji. Query form has come. That has been posted. Shamala ma.
I will check.
So if the form is there, you can post it in the group so that people can ask the queries in that form so that we will reply. Because here the muting, unmuting is becoming a little bit a problem, and already it is 7:10 in India. So the line is taken for, I think, probably 6:10 to 7:10. So it may anytime it may go up. So wishing you all the best. Pray in Sriman Narayana. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.